All you killing people, all you robbing bank, all you thief down NCB, and all you kill Cookshank. Indigenous farmers, you take them like us. Who exporting all of the weed now? Only Kelly Glass. Reaperman Ralph, Reaperman Ralph. You and Cigarette Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaperman Ralph, Reaperman Ralph. You and that chimney Julian, all you mash up the land.
This is a breaking news. Now, this innocent man was killed this morning 8 o'clock when the man was going to work. Now, Searchlight put out the news, and this is what Searchlight put out in St. Vincent. But this is what Countryman is putting out. Now, this act was done by the Beehive, and you have a youth where par with the Beehive, him and Sanga, named Bells. Now, the word on the street is, one of Bells little soldier, a dreadlocks youth, him do this. You understand? So once again, the Beehive kill an innocent man 8 o'clock in the morning, you know, when the man is going to work. Wanna see the video? And that's what me I tell you now. Brawlin Mvrda, dog. Now, stay tuned for more update on this and other story. But what I am saying is, the Beehive, them create a problem where them can't solve. And there is gonna be a shock of you. I'm telling you. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Breaking news.